osCommerce.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to osCommerce.com, which is an e-commerce platform and open source software that enables users to create online stores easily. It offers a range of customizable features, including product catalog management, shopping cart functionality, and secure payment integration. With a vibrant community and extensive add-ons, osCommerce.com facilitates the creation of robust and scalable online retail solutions. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this website works. So this is the main page of our platform here. So here we have the app shop, the osCommerce 4, where we have the free trial, or if you want to download osCommerce 4 e-commerce products, dev kits, enterprise version. Here we have the services, e-commerce development, migration to osCommerce, osCommerce hosting, enterprise services, white label e-commerce. Here we have the app shop, design, marketing, SEO tools, payment and shipping, and the app shop section also, retail pack, wholesale, B2B pack, marketplaces, submit app, request app, and here we have the support, feature list, documentation, and so on. And here we have the us section where we have the team, news, legal policies, and so on. And here we can see the forum, the search button, the cart, and the account, messages, GitHub, and get in touch. So by scrolling down, you can see from free open source shopping cart. You can download your free shopping cart from here, or you can try with osCommerce host. So let's get in touch with the platform. So we hit get in touch. If you want to book your consultation, you give them your name, company, email address, phone number, and comments about your project, and then you send them the inquiry. So let's go back to the account and let's create our account. If you already have an account, you just type your email address and your password. If not, you hit create new osCommerce and forum accounts. So we type our first name, last name, password, and we give the password confirmation, email address, and our username. Then we hit create. So I'm going to fill this information and get back with you. So after creating our account, they give us a message: thank you for creating your new account. The account is not active yet. Please confirm your email address by clicking a link in the email we've just sent you to activate your account. So we need to go to our Gmail box and we will find a message where we can activate our account. So I'm going to get that message and come back with you. So after verifying our account, we close this tab and we hit sign in. So something went wrong. So we hit sign in again. So that's it. This is our account. This is our dashboard. As you can see, you can have application shops settings. This is my osCommerce evaluation domain, my osCommerce hosting, unassigned products, my library, order history, reviews, personal catalog, submit app. And in the left, we have the order history. You can check it. So as we know, we don't have any history for now. Here we have our library and the app shop settings, the evaluation domains and hosting, and unassigned products as you see. And here we have some items created by me, author settings, my saved lists, and my settings if I want to change my information, or if I want to change my password. And here we have the actions if you want to log off or if you want to delete your account. So let's browse through the app shop and let's see the design. So this is the design. As you can see, we have this free design, the smartwatch. We can check it from here, and here we have the smartwatch products. If you want to check it from here, so as you see, this is the theme, and this is if you want to rate the theme or write a review, and this is the theme description, as you can see. And if you want to use this theme, so if you want to use this theme, you need to go to the app shop and download the osCommerce 4, and then you will be able to use the theme. And here you have the free trial. If you want to start your free trial, as you can see, you can just fill this information, your first name, last name, email, and give them your subdomain name, and then check your subdomain availability. So let's do it right now. Let's give them a subdomain and then check subdomain availability. And as you can see, you can install the osCommerce in your laptop, or you can just install it yourself, and then you will be able to go through the free trial of the platform. So we still have one thing to check out in this platform. So here in the osCommerce, we have under the support section, we have the partners. We click partners, and then by scrolling down, you can see the partners of the platform. And if you want to be a partner, you just click here, or you want to explore a catalog of osCommerce development partners, you click here, and you can see the free open source shopping cart and the osCommerce platform e-commerce platform demo, and big brands trust osCommerce. As you can see, you have this Halby that started as Trial Sfera in Ukraine, and this is their history. This is the history of that brand that trusts the platform. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.